Welcome, this is Vijay Philip from Adi Krantivir Vastu Belavanthapadike Vidyalaya, English Medium, Sector 6, New Panvel. Students, today we are going to study Standard 10 English lesson number 1.2, The Thief Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Okay? So, what do you know about Ruskin Bond? Can you tell me something about Ruskin Bond? He was born on when 19th May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landur in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. Do you know that he got lots of awards, even Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Sahitya Academy Award, etc. And do you know his famous notable works? His notable works are trees grown in Dara, and for this work he was awarded with the Sahitya Academy in 1992. And other notable works are A Flight of Pigeons, The Blue Umbrella, etc. And he has written lot of more than 300 short stories for students or children also. And do you know when he got Padma Shri Award in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. He likes children. He used to click photos with the snaps with the children. He enjoyed with the children. Okay, so let's start the lesson. The Thief Story. Okay, I'll read first two sentences and you should listen carefully. I was still a thief when I met Anil. And though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Now, see the sentence first one. I was still a thief. Who am I? I means what? Here I is the narrator of the story. Okay? I is the narrator. And the narrator is the thief. Who am I? I am a thief. When I met Anil, I am a thief. I was a thief when I met Anil. See the sentence carefully. I was still a thief. So this is simple past tense. And when I met Anil. See, first things. I was still a thief. This is a complete sentence. And when I met Anil is a clause. Okay, so what is the clause? Can you tell me? When I met Anil, correct, adverb clause of time. Okay, subordinate adverb clause of time. I was still a thief. Can you tell me the question tag? Yes, correct, very good. Wasn't I? Very good. And though only 15, it was my age. I am only 15. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Here, successful hand means master of a particular action or master of what he was doing. What was his job? He was a thief. He was a robber. So, he was a successful and a fairly successful hand. He was an experienced and fairly successful hand. That means he was a very good thief. Okay. Now listen again. See the sentence. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Here, can you tell me the parts of speech of fairly and successful? Fairly. Okay, very good. That is adverb. And successful, adjective. Okay, very good. So I was an experienced person. I was an experienced person. Can you tell the sentence? Can you make it interrogative? Okay, can you tell me? Yes, correct. Say, correct. Wasn't I an experienced person? Wasn't I an experienced person? Very good. You have to put question mark over there. Okay. Now, successful. Successful is adjective. So now we wanted to make word chain with this particular adjective successful. Make word chain of the adjective successful. You have to make 4. Total 4. So last letter is L. Then make one adjective with L. Long, correct. Long. Then G. Great, simple, great. Then T. Tall. Again L. Then what is that? L. Lazy. Correct? No, this is the way you can improve your vocabulary also. You should learn. You should play whenever you get time, no? Free time, you have to play like this. You should make more and more word chain using with the adjective, then verb and noun. Okay? Now let's see some questions. First question. I was a thief when I met Anil. Pick out the subordinate clause and state its kind. Right now we said, okay, when I met Anil, subordinate adverb clause of time. Now next one. I was still a thief. Add a question tag. Wasn't I? Very simple, no? Wasn't I? See, just to see, was W is in small letter. But I should be always in capital letter and you have to put question mark. Then when you write question tag, first you have to write the question and put a comma in the end. Then write wasn't it? Wasn't I? You know that. Now next, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Interrogative. Rewrite as an interrogative sentence. Wasn't I an experienced and fairly successful hand? Okay, good. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, I'll read the story. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. What was Anil doing when I approached him? When I went to his house, what was Anil doing? Anil was watching a wrestling match. And he was about 25. That means his age was maybe 25 years old. He was looking like that. He was a tall person, lean fellow. Lean means very thin fellow. And he looked easygoing. Easygoing means very relaxed person. And kind. And simple enough for my purpose. What was my purpose? My purpose was to steal Anil. I wanted to rob Anil's house. That was my purpose. That is why I came to his house. Now let's see some grammar. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. Anil was watching a wrestling match. This is a complete sentence. Anil is the subject, was watching a wrestling match, predicate, subject, predicate. Okay, understood now? Subject and predicate. Now, can you tell me the verb of this sentence? Can you tell me the verb? Tell me, guess it now. Well, yes, correct. Not watching, was watching. Was watching. And tell me the tense of that sentence. Was watching, verbs, tense, helping verb. Was is helping verb plus ing form. What is that? Correct. Past continuous tense. Very good. Keep it up. Now, see, can you tell me, can you identify the subordinate clause? Correct. When I approached him. Can you name it? Yes, subordinate adverb clause of time. Very good, very good. Keep it up. And see, Anil, what kind of a person Anil? He was easygoing and he was simple and kind. And can you describe his appearance? Yes, he was a tall and lean fellow. Again, you know that tall is adjective, lean is also adjective. Even kind, simple, easygoing, all these are adjective. Okay. Now again we can play for 2 seconds. Kind word chain of, make word chain of kind. Last letter D. Okay, dangerous. Oh, again S came. S, sincere. Then E. Yes, energetic. Okay, energetic. Then C. Oh, what is the answer? C. C. You have to start with C. Tell. Chaotic. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now you understood. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, this is do as directed. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. Pick out the subordinate clause. And here main clause is also written. So Anil was watching a wrestling match is the main clause, and subordinate adverb clause of time when I approached him. Now you know very well. Now next question. Anil was watching a wrestling match. Pick out the verb and identify the tense. Right now you have already said the okay. Was watching, past continuous tense. Now can you tell me the qualities of Anil? Easygoing, kind, simple. And we wanted 4, no? We understood how was he. He was a pleasant man. Okay, very good, clear. Now continue. I hadn't had much luck of late, and though I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted Anil's confidence in me, because I wanted to pretend that I'm not a thief. You can believe me. I'm a good person. This is what I wanted to convince before Anil. So what I have to do? So I asked him. I told him that you look a bit of wrestler yourself. I said, a little flattery help in making friends. Actually, I wanted to make friendship with Anil. That is why I simply said, because he was watching a wrestling match. So I said, you look a bit of wrestler yourself. So flattery means sincere, insincere praise. So I hadn't had much luck of late, and though I might be able to get into young man's confidence. You know, young. Young is also adjective. So many adjectives are here. So you should play word chain of adjective. So let's play. Young. G. Last word G. Then again you have to make start sentence with a G. Good, simple, good. Again D. D means, don't say dangerous, that we have already said, no. D. Diplomatic. Correct. C. Oh, again you will say chaotic. You didn't get anything. C. Okay. So this is the way you have to make it. Okay. Again you have to use. So you should go through. Always you should keep a dictionary with you and find adjectives and do. This is the way you can improve your vocabulary. Okay. So now I'll ask you some questions. Complete the word chain of adjective kind. Okay. See here different words are there. D. Dull. Then L. Long. Then G. Great. Then T. Tasty. Okay. Now next, you look a bit of wrestler yourself. I said, rewrite in indirect speech. So we can say that I told him that he looked a bit of wrestler himself. See the question carefully. You look a bit of wrestler yourself. I said, who am I? I'm the thief. Okay. So I said to whom? I told Anil. So you can write I told Anil, or I told him that. So you have to add that over here. Then you mean here you, instead of you have to write he. And look, past tense. It should be in past tense. So he looked a bit of wrestler yourself will become himself. Okay. Understood, no? You know indirect speech. Okay, write the meaning and make sentence of your own. Easy going. What is the meaning of easy going? Easy going is relaxed, or a tolerant in attitude. Okay, tolerant nature or relaxed nature. So exam sentence making you have to do. Raj was an easy-going man of very moderate views. Okay, clear students? I hope everybody understood. Okay, thank you.